Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the control button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears, you can use the up and down buttons right here to scroll through this menu. Scroll through the menu and select the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Once you select it, you will see the status of the Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see, at the time, for me it is turned off. So to turn it on, we need to press the GPS button. The status will switch to on and the icon will change to the moon icon, not crossed out moon. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the control button, back button, my bad, right here, to go back to watch face. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. If you want to disable it, open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon. As you can see, the status is on, and to turn it off, press the GPS button. The status will turn to off, and the moon icon will be crossed out, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And of course, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.